Hey there, let me welcome you to the newest member of the family in the workshop, a DeWalt 7491 RS 10-inch blade. Here's the deal, I'm replacing a shopsmith that's probably about 60-70 years old. This piece of manufacturing history has served me well over the years. All in all, it's not a bad piece of equipment even after all these years. And it did try to cause me some serious harm from time to time, but we'll get back to that later. The main issue, it just does not have the accuracy I need, and a lot of the parts just slide around and move around on their own no matter what you do. So unfortunately, I think it's time to replace it. Just a few clicks later, and I'll leave a link to this in the description below. Sure enough, a few days later, there was a bright yellow box on my doorstep. Although it didn't take long to notice a problem. This saw was not going to be safe or comfortable to work with. In my excitement, I didn't pay attention to the smaller box that I just casually tossed to the side. I'm not going to go into too many details on putting this cart together for three main reasons. One, it really wasn't all that difficult. Two, it's not the main focus of this video. And three, well, I forgot to hit record. With the saw attached to the cart, I just maneuvered it into a good position, unfolded the legs, and set it up. I do still very much like the shopsmith, but it's time to move from it over to the DeWalt. Seeing it all nice and new and clean, I don't know if I want to get it dirtied and scratched up. Of course I do. As we start going through some of the first cuts, be sure to go to the comments section and rip me a new one for not using a riving knife. But let me remind you, I came from a 60-year-old shopsmith. What's a riving knife? That first cut went so smooth and perfect, it was great. Next, I had to try out the dado stack. And yes, the DeWalt job site saw does allow you to put a dado stack on it. I will openly admit that was somewhat exciting and extremely scary the first time doing that. I really didn't like the cart this was on, so over in the SketchUp, I quickly designed something a bit more functional for the shop. I'll extend the table off to the left and add 3 drawers for storage. Plus a small shelf underneath, and on the side I'll add places to hang safety glasses, wrenches, and things like that. About 2 years later, it is a wonderful piece of equipment, but I still do have the shopsmith all this time. It's right over here. Somewhere. There it is. Buried like this, at least it won't be throwing wood at me and trying to break my finger again.